National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kensington to Westville to Mullica Hill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, Woodbury, Burlington, and Bristol. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 7A. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 38. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 343 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 56. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 33 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm